Marhaba, Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to my Naram News channel. So everybody, Eid Mubarak to you all. So today's latest news which we have come up today, that is at the world level, that the Muslims are celebrating Eid ul Fitr from all over the world today, but except India. India will be celebrating Eid ul Fitr tomorrow, that is on 25th of May according to the lunar calendar. But talking about today, the Muslims all over the world have been celebrating Eid ul-Fitr. Why so? This Eid ul-Fitr has been marked as the most important festival and the occasion in the Muslim calendar, which marks the end of the holy and the fasting month of Ramadan. So here is the latest news from all over the world, that what people or how people have celebrated Eid ul-Fitr, how they have performed their prayers and everything during this lockdown and the shutdown with all precautionary measures. So here are all the details. First, talking about Indonesia. Indonesian Muslims pray spaced apart as they practice physical distancing to curb the spread of new coronavirus during an Eid al-Fitr prayer in East Java, Indonesia. Now coming to Lahore, Pakistan. Muslims offer Eid al-Fitr prayers at Badshahi Mosque in Lahore. Now coming to Bosnia. Bosnian Muslims pray during the early morning prayer of Eid al-Fitr in front of the Sarajevo Central Ghazi Hasref Base Mosques. Coming to Afghanistan, Afghans leave after prayers during Eid al-Fitr, the Muslim festival marking the end of Ramadan in Kabul, Afghanistan. Now coming to Saudi Arabia. Worshippers gathering before the Kaaba at the Grand Mosque in Saudi Arabia's Makkah to attend the prayers of Eid al-Fitr. Now coming to Kashmir. In India, Kashmiri Muslims pray in the garden of a house while celebrating Eid al-Fitr in Kashmir. Now coming to UAE. A family performs Eid al-Fitr prayer at their residence in Sharjah due to the closure of mosques to take preventive and precautionary measures against COVID-19. Now going to Palestine. Palestinians attend Eid al-Fitr prayers in mosques in Gaza Strip. Now coming to Thailand. Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr marking the end of the fasting month of Ramadan in Patani province, Thailand. Burj Khalifa lights up with Eid Mubarak message. The world's tallest building, Dubai's Burj Khalifa, lit up with a festive message on Saturday night, Eid Mubarak. The message was flashed in typical dramatic style. While the impressive structure the building stood a black canvas as the words appeared in the shower of pink. Late on Friday night, the UAE's Moon Sighting Committee announced that the first day of Shawwal 1441H, marking the beginning of Eid al-Fitr, would fall on Sunday. The UAE government also announced that Eid holidays extend up to May 26th, both for the public and private sectors in the country. The Burj Khalifa has been known to light up with supportive and festive messages since its inauguration in 2010, and this year, when the world is reeling from the coronavirus pandemic, that message took on a special significance. Together, even apart, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Sheikh Mohammed wishes Gulf leaders on Eid. From Abu Dhabi, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, has exchanged during telephone conversation congratulations on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr with King Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud of Saudi Arabia, Sheikh Sabah Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah, the Emir of Kuwait, King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa of Bahrain, King Abdullah II of Jordan, Egyptian President Abdul Fattah Al Sisi, Iraqi President Bahram Salih, Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdul Aziz, Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense, and Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah, Crown Prince of Kuwait. During these conversations, Sheikh Mohammed conveyed the best wishes of President His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan to the Arab leaders for good health and happiness, further progress, security and stability for their countries and peoples. The leaders reciprocated warm greetings with Sheikh Mohammed, praying to Allah the Almighty to sustain the progress and prosperity of the UAE under the leadership of President Khalifa bin Zayed, whom they wished good health and well-being. So this was Cynthia Samson. Keep watching My Arab News channel. Like this, we will be coming up with some more interesting English news on this Arab channel. And before going, once again, Eid Mubarak to everybody. I wish you all best of health, best of success during this pandemic time, and stay home, stay safe. Do take very good care of yourself. Till then, bye. Khuda Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.